So we're going to talk about how the memory allocation is going to happen when we execute constructors and then static and non-static instruction block. Okay, so when we execute the program, first a memory will be allocated. So that will be with the class name with some hexadecimal number. Then the first memory which will be created will be the static pool. Then all the static members will get loaded into the system, into the static pool. So what are the static members we have? One static block here. Then apart from that, we have one public static void main. So these are the two things we have here. Main function. That's it. Only these two we have here. Okay. Then after that, when we start to execute the program, the first information which will be loaded will be the main function. So this will be the local memory for main. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Okay, so when we start execution, the first memory which will be created will be the static pool. Then before executing main function, all the static blocks will be executed. The first static block will start to execute for me. So the memory allocation is going to happen for the static block. Local memory of static SIB1. So the memory creates from here. Then after that executes, so it's going to print me static block. It's going to print the static block. Then after that, I'm trying to create an object inside the static block. So what will happen? So now it's going to create me one object. So the object name is obj. Obj is my object name. Then now what will happen? So all the global members will be loaded into the object. So what are the members we have? Integer I equal to 10. Then after that I have 1 and 2. Two non-static blocks I have. And then the matching constructor is what? Am I passing any argument? No. So this constructor will be loaded into the system. So for me, two non-static blocks, IIB1, then IIB2, IIB1 and IIB2. Then after that, for me, the matching constructor, which is a default constructor without an argument, that will be loaded. Then after that, my main function, that also will get loaded. These all things will get loaded into the object first. This is what will be loaded. So from where actually what this has been created? From the static block it's been created. Then first, which will be executed for me? The non-static blocks. Then after that only the constructor. So first IIB1 in a sequential order only it starts to execute. So for me, first local memory of IIB1. From where it is created means from this object. Then next starts to execute, prints me non-static block 1. Then after the system.println I am giving. So when I give only I, it comes here to the local memory of the IIB1. Do we have I variable? No. From where this memory is created? From here. Do we have I variable here? Yes. 10 will be printed. So non-static members, if you see right now in the non-static methods, and then after that in the IIB or in the actually what constructor, I can use it actually what directly the variable name itself. Such it will search in their local memory. If it is not there, it will go to the object, because from the object only those memories are created. So when the object is there, then it will be taken. That's it. Clear? But static members you cannot use like that, because static members it is not creating a copy in the memory, in the object. It's like taking an information from the static pool. That's it. So that's why non-static, sorry, static members cannot be used. I'm sorry, in the static pool, the non-static members will not be loaded. That's why in the static methods or in the static block, I cannot use the non-static members directly. Okay. So what I'm trying to say here means this is a non-static block. Here I given as I. Okay, so I can use it. Same thing, this I cannot give it into the static block here. Why means because for me, when I give I, it will go and check in this static insertion block. So now what happened? I, do we have? No. Then from where the memory is created, it comes to the static pool. Do we have I memory here? No. Then it will throw me an error. Okay, here it is not possible. Okay. Then after that, for me, the first block is executed. Now the second non-static block 2. Non-static block 2 is executed. Then next, for that again, a memory will be created. Local memory of IIB2. That's it. Then after IIB1 and IIB2 has been executed, then the matching constructor. So for this again a memory will be created. A memory for this constructor. Then after that here it prints me default constructor. One more thing, after each and every block execution, the memories also will be deleted. Sorry, not this one. So now this constructor also is executed. Will be deleted. By whom? By the garbage collector. That's something. So this memory has been created from here. Then after the next again, so for me non-static blocks and constructors are executed, right? Now again control comes over to this place. There the execution started came. Then obj.I goes to the obj. Do we have I value? Yes, that is 10. Then prints me static block 2. Okay. Then static block has been executed. Now what happened? It comes out of it. That time the memory will be deleted. Okay, by whom? Garbage collector. Then next actually what, after the static block is executed, my main function start to execute. Creates a local memory for main. Local memory for main. Then next main function start to execute. Now can you execute me, Chaitra? What will happen now? Chaitra, can you explain me what will happen now? I'm trying to unmute you. Hello. Hi Chaitra, you there? Hello, hey Chaitra, you there? Okay, cool. So, sure, cool, no worries. So now the local memory for main will be created for me here. Then next, what will happen right now for me? Main function starts. So this program starts. Program starts. Then after that, I'm trying to create an object again. So from where? From the main function. So now for me again. So one more thing, if this SIB is being deleted, that time the object created from the SIB also will be deleted. Okay. Now I'm trying to create another object for this one. See, constructor obj equal to new constructor. In the main function, I'm trying to create it. Now again, a new object will be created for me. So the name of the object is obj. So it is created from the main function.
It's for object 1, right? You should write obj1.
Here I given it as obj only. Constructor obj equal to new constructor.
But down you have given it as obj1.
No, this is another new object. Again I'm creating.
No, but can you give two same names?
No, that will become as a duplicate, right? Because
Okay.
in the main function I'm creating an obj object. Once again I cannot create in the main function another object called obj because now it becomes as a duplicate. Understood, right? You clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's the thing. Then now next what will happen? All the global members, my non-static members, non-static variable, then my IIB1 and IIB2, then my matching constructor. Right now I'm not passing any argument, so this constructor, okay, a default constructor that will be matched. Then after that my main function. These are the things which will be loaded for me here. Clear? Then after that right now for me, first the non-static blocks start to execute. So prints me non-static block 1, then prints me I. Do we have I variable here? So sorry, it's going to create a, I have not created the block. So it's going to create local memory for IV1, right? First. When I'm going to execute the non-static block, it's going to create a memory for that, which is created from here. So then it prints me non-static block 1 for me here. Then it's going to print me I. So when I come over here to where I variable, no, from where the memory is created, from here, the I value is what? 10. 10 will be printed. Then next, first block is executed, deletes it by the garbage collector. Then second block, local memory for IV2. local memory for IIB2, which is created from this place. This IIB2, that is non-static block 2. Now it's executed, it prints non-static block 2. Then after that comes out of it, so that time again the memory will be deleted. That's the thing. Okay. Then next, so we have executed this here. So now what will happen right now for me? So once this execution is done again for me, now the constructor, matching constructor will start to execute. So for that again, a memory. Use a constructor. So then it prints me default constructor. Then after that, the constructor is executed again. Garbage collector deletes it. Then next, actually for me, then after the constructor is executed, then again control comes to the place wherever the object is created. This is the place. Then again comes here obj.I comes to the obj. What is my I value? That is 10. 10 will be printed. Then now again control comes here. I'm creating another object. So constructor obj1 equal to new constructor of 100. That means I'm passing an integer value. So now what will happen right now? It's going to create me a new object. So that is obj1. obj1. Okay, so now here my new object name is obj1. Then I'm actually what passing an integer value. So as usual, what will happen by two global members, one the non-static variable will be loaded. Then after that my non-static blocks IIB1 and IIB2 that will be loaded. So I'll just copy paste the same thing. IB1 and IB2 will be loaded. Then after that, next what will be loaded for me is the matching constructor, that is matching an integer value constructor. So this constructor will be loaded now. Then after that, my main function. These all things are being loaded now here. That's the thing. Okay, we have loaded all those things. Then after that, for me, the non-static block starts to execute. So again, so you know how these memories have been created, right? Same like that. So I'm just taking it same thing so that you know actually how these are all created. I'm just taking all these things. Okay, IB1 and IB2. So then after that, my constructor. So first actually what we will print these things. Non-static block 1. Then after that my I value comes here. We don't have anything. Prints me 10 here. Then next actually what? The second non-static block 2 will be printed. Then after that, my matching constructor. So now it's going to create constructor. So the matching constructor is what means constructor integer a. So now what will happen? It will create me a new variable integer a equal to, okay, so what is the value I'm passing over there for the a? So when I'm creating an object, I'm passing 100. So 100 will be the value for it. That's it. 100 will be the value for it. Clear, right? Then after that, integer u equal to 100. So it creates me one more local memory here. Integer u equal to 100. System.println I. Now what will happen? It goes here. So from where this memory is created means it's created from this place. So now I'm going to give system.println I. So comes here to be a I variable here? No. Then comes to the place where the memory is created, 10 will be printed. Then after that, next what will happen right now for me? So system.println a. So comes here, do we have a variable? Yes, the value is 100. Then next, integer argument constructor. Okay, integer argument constructor, that will be printed. Then comes out of it, now the memory will be deleted. The memory will be deleted. That's the thing. Clear? Then next, so again another new object has been created. New constructed 10, 20.50. Again same thing. One more object will be created. The only thing is the name will not be there. So all these objects are created from the main memory only, because I'm executing main. So from there only everything has been created. Clear, right? Then again same vice versa. Non-static blocks and then the matching constructor. Non-static blocks and then the matching constructor execution will happen. Clear? Any questions from your end, Chaitra? Any questions from your end? You have any questions?
No, sir.
So what I wanted you to do means same program I want you to take, okay. And then draw this memory location. Take a paper and pen, draw the same memory location, and then after that execute it so that you will be sure whether you have found properly or not. Clear, right? Same program execute with the help of memory location.
Sir, can you do me a favor?
Yeah,
can you send me the list, like how we followed from first day till last day? I have many videos I'm going through, but I'm getting confused. I'm not going in order.
Understood. So I will send you. Yes.
I want to go through everything at once from first. I'm a little confused.
Sure. I'll do like this. I'll send a video like this. I'll send you like this. Okay, yes, so that it will be easy for you. Okay, yes. I'll try to send. You want our class video to say what are things has been taken, or anything is okay for you?
Anything which is good is okay for me, sir.
Okay, then I'll send you this one. So this will be actually what very in a detailed manner. It's like actually what easy to guide for you. Okay, perfectly one by one, step by step, it will be there. Okay, I'll forward this to you. You can have a look on this.
Okay.
Yeah, Chaitra. Shravani, right?
Yeah. No, Chaitra 199.
Ramachandra. Chaitra Ramachandra, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, Chaitra. Here you can download the code for the entire things. Okay, right? Yeah. Thank you. Bye, Chaitra. See you. With this, actually, the backup classes has been done. So hereafter, we'll be having the regular sessions alone.
Okay,
7
sir.
o'clock. Yeah.
Sure, sir.
Thanks, Chaitra. Thank you. Bye.
So, thank you, sir.